Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best Dermografos Micropigmentation Professional is probably one of the most crucial tools for any professional looking to achieve flawless and long-lasting results in permanent makeup and micropigmentation procedures, offering precision and control that directly impacts the quality of the final outcome and client satisfaction, making it an indispensable investment for serious artists. Number 5. BIOAMSER P300 Permanent Makeup Kit. Discover the BIOAMSER P300, a comprehensive kit designed for professional permanent makeup application. This all-in-one solution provides everything you need to get started. Experience precise control with its intuitive touchscreen power supply. Adjust settings effortlessly for a seamless tattooing experience. The ergonomic rotary pen ensures comfort and stability during use. Its smooth operation allows for detailed and accurate work. This kit includes practice skin to hone your skills, 2 essential microblading inks, and 10 sterile cartridge needles. It's everything you need in one convenient package. Elevate your permanent makeup artistry with this high-quality kit. Achieve flawless and lasting results for your clients. What we like. This is a comprehensive starter kit for permanent makeup. It includes everything you need to begin practicing and performing procedures. If you are looking for an all-in-one solution to get started in micropigmentation, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It comes with everything that you will need for equipment. It also comes with a few colors as well for the ink. It's great for practicing, and there is a step-by-step directions as well that are easy to follow. I love how it has the different settings for what type of work you will be doing. Number 4. Perma Blend Bazooka Bright Pink Tattoo Ink. Introducing a revolutionary tattoo ink designed for permanent makeup. Achieve stunning, vibrant results that truly last. This specialized formula is ideal for delicate lip blush and microblading procedures. It enhances natural lip color beautifully. Experience rich, consistent pigmentation with every application. Its smooth consistency ensures effortless use for professionals. We are committed to ethical beauty. This ink is proudly vegan and cruelty-free, so you can create with confidence. Join countless artists who rely on this premium ink for their permanent makeup artistry. It's a staple in professional kits. Elevate your permanent makeup services with this exceptional bright pink ink. It's designed to help you create breathtaking looks. What we like. This is a specialized ink designed for vibrant lip blush results. Its bright pink hue is perfect for enhancing lip color. If you are a professional looking for a high-quality, vegan-friendly ink specifically for lip micropigmentation, this product will deliver stunning, long-lasting color. What people say. I've used this pigment a couple of times after eye lip neutralization, and it quickly became my favorite. It is such a pretty pink. Beautiful color for lips. Pretty pink. Number 3. Mellie Microblading Ink Set. Introducing the Mellie Microblading Ink Set, featuring 7 medical-grade pigments for professional permanent makeup. Achieve flawless eyebrows with our premium formula. Our set includes 7 versatile shades, from blonde to jet black, designed to complement every client's skin tone. The color remains true, only becoming lighter over time. Rest assured, these pigments meet strict US standards and are made with pure, non-irritant colorants. They are safe, reliable, and deliver perfect eyebrow color. Designed to last up to 12 months without color change, our semi-permanent pigments deliver consistent, natural-looking results. Trust them for premium cosmetic pigments that stand the test of time. Rigorously tested in real-world conditions, these pigments ensure top-tier performance and reliability. Professionals trust them to deliver bold, lasting results. Unlike other options, this ink set is easy to use and does not require mixing before application. Get ready for effortless, beautiful results. What we like. This set offers a wide range of natural-looking shades for eyebrows. The medical-grade quality ensures safety and reliability. If you need a professional ink set that provides consistent, true-to-tone results that won't fade to unnatural colors, this is the ideal option for diverse client needs. What people say. Easy to use, colors come out good as described, and the retention from clients come back are remarkable. Good color retention. Smooth machine work. Great colors. It was way easier to use than Phi and went a longer ways. The pigment retained in the skin better. And I had used Fi on the same person, so it's not that they had different skin types. The girl had great skin for microblading. And this Mellie pigment made the session go way faster. And so far has stayed longer than all but one of my Fi clients. Number 2. BIOAMSER P300 Permanent Makeup Machine. Discover the BIOAMSER P300, a professional-grade permanent makeup machine designed for precision and ease of use. This all-in-one kit provides everything you need for flawless permanent makeup application. This comprehensive device kit includes a digital power supply and a high-quality tattoo pen. Achieve consistent results with its reliable performance. The digital power supply offers precise control over your work. Adjust settings easily to match different techniques and client needs. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during long procedures. The pen is lightweight and balanced for optimal maneuverability. This kit comes complete with 2 clip cords and 10 sterile needles. You'll be ready to start creating beautiful permanent makeup right away. Elevate your permanent makeup services with this advanced device. It's built for durability and consistent, professional quality results. What we like? This machine offers precise control with its digital power supply. The rotary pen is designed for comfortable and efficient use. If you are a professional seeking a reliable and user-friendly permanent makeup machine with advanced digital features, this device provides the accuracy and performance you need. What people say. It's very easy for me to work with. As a PMU artist, I recommended this machine to everyone, expectably beginners, because it's good machine and perfect for all of the service as eyebrows, eyeliner and lips. The machine has recommended settings for the speed on whatever you are doing, like brows, lips, etc. Number 1. Wireless Permanent Eyebrow Makeup Pen. Achieve flawless permanent makeup with our innovative wireless pen. It's designed for professional results, making your beauty routine simpler and more effective. This rechargeable rotary machine offers precision and control for eyebrows, eyeliners, and lips. Experience the ease of a professional device in your own hands. Forget the cords and enjoy the freedom of a rechargeable design. It's always ready when you are, providing a seamless experience for all your permanent makeup needs. From perfectly defined eyebrows to sharp eyeliners and beautifully shaped lips, this device does it all. Its versatility makes it an essential tool for any beauty enthusiast. Get started right away with the included 10 high-quality needles. This ensures you have everything you need for multiple applications and precise detailing. Elevate your look with permanent makeup that lasts. This tool empowers you to achieve salon-quality results from the comfort of your home. What we like? Enjoy the freedom of wireless operation with this rechargeable device. It's suitable for eyebrows, eyeliners, and lips. If you value mobility and convenience in your permanent makeup procedures, this pen offers the flexibility to work anywhere without being tethered to a power outlet. What people say. I love how light and easy this tattoo pen is. Very easy to use and lightweight. It worked really well and comes with a selection of shaders and stuff. The needles were good so far. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.